Pozdrav za moju badiju, kad ćemo na Kosovo, braću, Okay, we have some guests, they're from another country. They will tell us what country that is and a lot of stuff. Oh, just you?
Yeah.
Okay.
No worries.
So, hi, I'm Nicole.
Manuel, nice to meet you.
Great. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Cool. What's it like in Spain right now?
We have some troubles with the separation of Catalonia, as you can imagine.
Yeah. We also
But it's
had
okay.
some separations here in Serbia.
I think you got a lot to talk about in this topic. Like you guys from Serbia can
It's
can
weird,
do a lot
kinda.
give us a lot of information. As
I think it's a little bit different here because,
was
I don't
different.
know.
Was different. Was different.
well, I don't know. Do they have their own language? Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they always talking about this stuff that they have different language and they.
I kind of can't talk about it because I never went there, actually. So,
I went there once.
I can have an opinion. It's kind of weird that you can get a country and one day one part.
Well, separate,
it's,
huh?
yeah.
Man, it's something like with economics or some stuff. They also think.
Well,
they,
I can tell you why Kosovo is separate. I can't tell you about Catalonia because they want to have American army bases there, so Russians can have army bases there. So
that's how they
and
could,
on the independent Kosovo that's possible. So yeah, they have this. But basically, it's nothing to do with the rights of Albanians or whatever. It's just money laundering, organ trading, and drug dealing.
And what they need also, they need
Yeah.
bases all over. And
Yeah.
if you don't accept them, like we have a base in Spain, which is from Americans, and it's a piece of land, huge piece of land, where if you get into, it's America. You can buy American shoes, you can buy American clothing, food, franchises, everything just from America. And if you go out, you cannot even take the cars you buy inside because they're American plates, you know? So, and totally we accept it. Otherwise, we would have been in war with them.
Yeah, that's a trick. I never saw an American army base. So, do you watch porn?
Normally.
What?
Normally, I do.
Yeah. What kind of porn? What's your favorite?
Man, I
Do
don't
you
have.
have a genre or just click on a
Yeah,
video that seems
I
cool?
just look at the actress, and if I like her, and I get it for her. You know?
So you're like a actress type of porn
Well,
watcher, yeah.
I'm not really looking for, some kind of weird stuff. Well, sometimes,
Yeah.
not regularly. I just
Yeah, that's
big
for
things.
special occasions. Sometimes you
You know,
fire up the whole
special
incest porn.
occasions like the jerk off of 9 a.m. or something like this. Always just for special occasion, not for every time.
Okay, cool. Do you listen to metal?
Not much, man. No, it's not my thing.
Yeah, but you listen to some.
Yeah, I've done it. I've listened to it a little bit, not much, but
What bands?
mostly the famous ones, right? Like Metallica or I don't know,
Yeah.
something like this.
The classics.
Or yeah, I don't think.
What do you normally listen to?
I'm right now listening to a lot of rock, honestly,
Yeah.
and a little bit old rock, like Liner Skyner or.
Oh yeah.
Of course, you have Pink Floyd, or Radiohead, which are fucking good for me.
Yeah.
But there's also good music in Spain right now. I'm
Really?
surprised.
Yeah.
I'm surprised, you know.
Yeah.
It was not like this. And if you talk with someone about music in Spain, they will tell you just reggaeton and shit, and
Yeah.
I hate it. Like most of us does.
That's like the commercial stuff.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's what everybody listens to. You know?
Yeah, we actually kind of have reggaeton here in Serbia.
Uh-huh.
But it's kind of mixed guitar, folk, and pop music.
Is it Serbian?
Yeah, it's
Like if folk and pop music from Serbia and they mix and they did this.
Yeah, with reggaeton and trap music.
Okay.
So yeah, but basically we have a genre here in Serbia that's called turbo folk. I don't know if you heard of it. It's basically folk music mixed with anything really. It's kind of changed during the times. For example, in 2001, 2002 it was like folk music that you listen into in a bar, like singing mixed with techno and psy music and stuff like that. But now it's more like with dancehall, reggaeton and trap.
Wow.
So basically you take traditional music
And you mix it with everything you can.
yeah, whatever is popular in the world at that moment. So it's kind of like.
By the way, I didn't ask you. Do you watch porn?
Yeah.
Which is your type? Because if you ask me that, it's because you have your type.
My favorite thing ever. Yeah, I basically like chemistry in porn. Not like chemistry mixing
People
shit.
with bats and
When the guy and the girl fucking are actually into it, or the guy and the girl and the girl and the guy and the girl and the guy, whatever.
Yeah, I understand when they're having fun and you can see.
Yeah. So and a safe way to be sure about that is to find out who's married. You take a little bit of Wikipedia investigation and you find out which porn stars are married to each other in a relationship, and they usually have the best sex.
Man, that's super weird. But it's good. It's good. I mean, you're doing a good job. You're looking for it. I mean,
yeah, that's kind of like my thing. When I'm interested in something, I look for it. It doesn't matter. You don't really have to be that interested to it. Like, okay, I seen something. Okay, Wikipedia. That's good. Now I know. Now I know something about porn.
Do you have like a site, or you just Google the names and go for it?
Well, I started Wikipedia, then I tried to find out some expert shit. If I'm really interested, I find some sites. Because whatever you're interested in, music, porn, or whatever, you have like layers. You have like, okay, basic information. Right? Oh, okay, that's the basic thing. Then you can look further, and then you have the expert shit. When someone really knows, then you read that. So, okay, yeah.
Cheers for that, man.
Yeah. When I'm writing some kind of comments, Trump will make anime real. I hope so.
How would that guy know I'm Spanish?
We told them.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you watch cartoons?
Yeah, and actually I'm surprised with this new one, which happens to be like 2-3 years ago, which his name is Rick and Morty.
Yeah.
It's fucking cool, man.
Great.
But I read somewhere that they're not gonna make the 4th season. I hope it's a lie, you know, and these bullshit things that because they don't want it to be
I think it's...
You think
I think it's probably a lie.
What the fuck, why, man? It's...
No, I
think
they're gonna... Yeah, they're gonna make more. I mean... It's... Well, only if the dudes who are making it are too stressed out by it and don't want to make it. That's the only explanation I can get, because commercially it makes sense. Everybody's watching. It's gonna make a lot of money.
It's funny though, and I don't know.
And I heard that they are stressed out. When they're making the 3rd season, they were like freaking out because
everybody was.
That really is a lot of expectations to set for themselves. After the first one.
That's the problem. Maybe I understand that maybe they're stressed out because of that.
Yeah.
But
even if they are, they're probably just gonna put in a hiatus and maybe not next year, but in 3 years.
Just take more time.
Yeah.
I don't like eternal things. Like when you talk about TV shows, I don't like when these TV shows are, 25 seasons or shit. Like this.
It's supposed to have an ending.
Yeah, that's the point. If you're starting something, just make an end to it. An end to it. Like the porn, right? You always
it's gotta have a contract.
Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. So these videos just got them in the middle of the thing. Like, what the fuck is not good?
Yeah. I hate when shows go on more than they have to.
Do you mind if I take a little bit?
Oh, no, take it. That's for the guests of the show and for me. Chatterbait.
What's that?
No, but you can work there, but you have to masturbate. That's like...
That's the paying one, right? You could have paid for it.
No, free. But you can give tokens if you want.
Yeah. The thing is, because I know some people who work there,
Because of the Wikipedia, right? You already met them, you send them a message, you go into the park.
This is completely accidental, just some people who are my acquaintances or friends even. Basically it's a site, you do the it's free to watch you, whatever, but if they want you to do something and you basically it's not
weird stuff,
if you're a chick you can just talk to them for free,
and
but show some tits,
give me a token,
if you get a token, you can do it if you're a guy, but I'm not sure.
I don't think that works.
I can talk to you, but if you give me tokens, I'll show you my balls.
Actually, maybe we should get the tokens for talking, and we should show the things for free. You know.
Yeah,
I don't know. Okay, I don't understand what they're saying there.
A guy asked if you're planning to have a family.
Me?
Me, you, whatever.
Right? For me, not right now.
Yeah, definitely. Not right now. Maybe someday, but not right now.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, because it's like, if you don't have it, you kind of feel empty after a certain age.
Yeah, I don't think the dogs or cats are
unless you're really like that, you're a real owner.
Really up to being just with your
own. But most people, blah blah blah.
Yeah, I would say that too, honestly. At least you need, I don't know, some place to go back. Maybe just, I don't know. I don't know about family like the typical way, for sure. I don't think I'll get married or something like this. But I would love to, in one point of my life. What are you saying? Not to be alone, or not to feel like you're alone.
Yeah, to have something
Ricky
to...
Morty says, exactly.
Yeah. Because even if you don't get married...
Is your name Pedro?
My name? Pedro, no,
So
Nicola.
who the fuck is Pedro?
Pedro. Where are you from? I don't know.
Who's Pedro?
Maybe they're joking.
Is Pedro someone here? What? Someone asked, Pedro, where are you from?
Maybe that's like a
stereotypical... It's the only question I understand it because it's the only thing in English.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe that's like a stereotypical Spanish.
Spanish name?
Like John is for
Juan?
English people.
Yeah. Ah, John like English and Pedro for Spanish?
John Smith, Pedro. I know. What's like the most stereotypical Spanish last name? The most common. Here's like Jovanovic.
Garcia or Rodriguez, or something like this. Garcia would be. What is this book, by the way?
That's about documentaries, usually about serial killers and cults, most of them.
Yeah, this is the guy who killed
Charles Manson.
Charles Manson, exactly.
Yeah, actually they're all Charles Manson.
I mean, I
just
recognize
different times in his life.
His life, right? You just recognize the tattoo on his forehead.
Somebody asked if you know any Spanish rap songs that are good.
Yeah, for sure. Mostly old ones, or I'll say 10 years old.
Yeah,
because right now everywhere is into trap. I don't know here, but in Spain at least, all the rappers turn into trap because it's a trendy thing and it's the thing they can sell more.
Is it good trap or like copy of American trap?
Yes, copy of America.
Because
letters with rap lyrics, with these double boys and this, sound.
For example, I like both old school rap and I like trap, and I make rap, and I make trap, but I don't like when it's too like
commercial thing. I know.
Not even commercial, but not original. Like people use the same phrases that somebody else is. Okay, we're talking about smoking weed and girls and money, but the way you see smoking weed and girls and money is not supposed to be the same as he or you or do. Use your slang. What's your cool slang like?
Everybody have their own histories and their own way of talking. There's do you know some Spanish rappers?
No, I know Latin American rappers, but not Spanish.
I don't know any. No, I really like SFDK. Cancerbero is South American, do you know? I really don't.
I know.
I asked about
Control
Pedro,
Machete
but he looked like... Am I allowed to do this?
Yeah, we swear and smoke weed on the show, and
That's okay, I'm okay.
my co-host who's not here tonight takes his dick out sometimes and we break stuff. Yeah, no, you can do anything here.
I was joking.
Yeah.
Gotta say, you're not the first one who says about Spanish uses. So
yeah.
that's the same thing like he was talking about. Always talking about the same and always doing the same phrases. Come on, be more imaginative. Try to say something bad about me. We don't like Catholics. I really don't fucking care, man. I'm totally off religion.
Yeah.
Are you guys religious here in Serbia?
In Serbia in general, yeah, I'm kind of agnostic, but
Yeah, me too. But I'm asking, of course, in Spain.
it's more like it's very respected. I mean, if you really look at it, a lot of people really aren't religious. They don't go to church, they don't fast, they don't respect. But if you ask them, they're like, oh yeah, cause Serbia Orthodox Christianity, you know?
So it's Orthodox Christianity.
Yeah,
mostly.
But
you have, for example, the synagogue here in Novi Sad. So I guess it is a mix of them.
Well, Novi Sad and Vojvodina in general is very multicultural.
Okay.
Because you can have Germans and Hungarians here, but...
No, we are communist. Not about gay porn, man. It's not my thing. Spanish, can you go down on Ninja, please?
I'm sorry, talking.
That guy was funny.
Yeah.
Nice try, Miguel. Nice try.
Bravo, brate.
Esto no está. Porque hemos estado hablando del porno y que se me haga con token y la gente sale en cámara y dice, no, but I can show you my tits if you want. That'll be cool. That was no.
Yeah, show tits.
Y me dice un tío. Me dice un tío. Spanish que puedes irte abajo. What the fuck is go down on Ninja?
I think Ninja is like Nidža. That's a nickname for Nicola. Common nickname. Nidža.
So it's you.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Basically,
he's
asking to send him
un
money.
montón de dinero. Y porque antes me ha dicho que iba... No, I cannot sing Despacito, man. Please don't break it up.
Oh, fuck that song.
Man, it's awful. It's everywhere you go. Every fucking where you go.
Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah,
I'm
I should
telling you,
ask
it's
you.
awful.
But
It's awful. They have even the Portuguese version. They have this fucking Portuguese version of Despacito. It's exactly saying the same. Despacito. And after that, they talk in Portuguese. Oh, come on.
Yeah, Portuguese is kind of weird for me to listen.
Well, I think
It's
it's
kind
because...
of like, sounds to me, this is gonna be a little bit of racist, but I don't know, it's 11 and 26, so police is not watching. It sounds like gypsy Spanish to me.
Man, I love I love Portuguese accent. I think it's funny for me, but it's we can understand each other. So it's kind of similar.
It's
kind
like
of similar,
Serbian and Slovenians, for example.
I know you guys have.
Well,
can understand each other.
Croats and Bosnians and Montenegrins basically speak the same language, but I won't go into that. But yeah,
Okay. Too much politics for today.
It's a lot like Serbians, but for example, Slovenians, they live a little bit up north. It's just the different type of the same language. I guess that a lot of words are the same, some are the same. You can understand them.
It's a funny accent maybe, or a word that ends up in a different way. Okay, of course, if you gotta listen to Portuguese slowly in order to understand.
Yeah.
But if they want you to understand, you will. They can speak, so half and half.
Serbs are the oldest people on earth.
It's funny.
Yeah.
What that means? Serbs are the oldest people on earth, and the earth is hollow. What that means, hollow? I really don't know.
Like empty. It's just a crust and
Like a hole?
You have an empty space inside the earth.
Okay.
I haven't looked into that particular conspiracy theory, but I think something is going on in the whole. That's like a different civilization where they control.
In the middle of the sea, in the middle of the earth.
Yeah.
So you think we're not that there's not just people all living in the surface. There's also people or something in the middle of the earth.
I'm not sure, but that's how the theory goes.
I never heard about it.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't know. It makes more sense than
Pendejo.
the flat earth theory.
Pendejo is South American, man.
Yeah.
Our Serbian girl nice to Jevanje. What's Jevanje?
Fucking.
Ah.
Did you fuck Serbian girls?
I gotta say honest. I'm gonna be honest here.
Yeah.
I haven't fucked a Serbian girl yet, man.
Oh.
So I cannot tell. I mean, we have some friends here that maybe can speak about it.
Do you want to speak about it?
Hang
No,
on.
no. We are gentlemen here. We do not.
Yeah, we don't talk about sex, man. It's something
Yeah.
forbidden.
We talk about sex, but not about particular Serbian
Portuguese.
girls.
Venga, a ver si os veo alguna, me partimos ya aquí todo el culo, mañana envíen fotito, claro.
Did you say Tito?
Fotito. Means pictures, not Tito. I know.
You have pictures of fucking Serbian girls.
No, I'm asking. I was telling them that maybe someone can see them and sending a picture like, dude, I saw you there talking about me.
Yeah.
Or not to me. Okay, that's better. Puto is better than pendejo.
Yeah.
It's a bit
So you
long,
don't
yeah?
say pendejo, but you say puto.
Yes, puto is like
Pussy faggot. Yeah,
you can say that, yeah. And
Yeah.
puta would mean the same for feminine. So that's more pejorative.
Whore,
Yeah, it's worse, honestly. And ¿por qué Jesús está invitado aquí? ¿Por qué no? Why not? I was just here and we came here.
Yeah, this is a very... Znate vi već. I told them that this is a very freestyle show.
I mean, I'm sorry, it is. I mean, if you guys have something else to do.
No. I invited you here because my co-host is not here and I don't know what to do.
Okay.
So this is pretty good. We are talking about a lot of things, politics, porn. Did you watch Tito Torrent?
Me preguntaba, ¿no habéis visto Torrente? You guys can, ¿podéis ver ahí los
Torrente is the best.
You saw Torrente?
Yeah, all.
Yeah, that was popular here too.
Yeah.
You watched Torrente? Yes, of course I saw it.
Torrente is the best.
What means 1488?
That's like a Nazi code.
Okay, I didn't know.
14 words. So we have to protect our white children. I know the rest.
I'm not gonna ask you why you know this.
Yeah, Nazis are very aesthetically cool, but I don't agree with them. But they always had the coolest clothes and symbols. The swastika is the best symbol ever.
It represents so much bad stuff. You cannot say that.
I don't agree with racism and that, but if you look at the symbol, it's very cool. You know,
Anywhere you
because
see-
it's not a Nazi symbol, it's the oldest symbol in the world.
It is. It was not
It was
Nazi before. They took it and they.
Indian
I
and all the pagan European religions. Blah, blah.
I just knew that it was older, but
Yeah.
they took it and everybody think about that symbol in a bad way.
Yeah, but that's why they took it. That's how they convinced the whole nation to
Yeah.
agree to concentration
It's supposed to
camp.
be something
Because it's
good and blah blah blah.
real. When I
Swastika
watched
is
all like Hitler
They say it's
speeches,
all Serbian symbol.
yeah,
Um,
probably.
What's Josip Broth Puto? Josip Broth.
Tito was,
What's called Josip Broth?
yeah. Do you know who Tito is?
Of course, like Yugoslavia and stuff.
Yeah,
I want to ask you, did Slovenia, was it Slovenia part of Yugoslavia?
Yeah.
Okay. It's fuck politics, man. We'll talk about
Yeah, well, we can talk about politics. The general like theme of the show is we don't know shit about anything, so we can basically.
talk about everything, just small talk, not really.
Yeah, I basically said in this show a lot of things. I'm basically gay and a Nazi. If you watch some of the old episodes.
Do you
well,
are you here every Wednesday?
Yeah,
Okay.
almost every Wednesday. I think one time we didn't do it, and two or three.
It's like 19 time.
Yeah, this is the 19 episodes. So, so you basically drink beer, smoke Indian cigarettes. I don't like
that Indian cigarettes that are handmade and
yeah.
I saw them. They're awful. They're super strong for your throat.
Well, yeah, but they affect your mind also.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
But it's not weed.
No, we can't say that it is weed because it is illegal here. So we say Indian cigarettes or rolled up cigarettes and
yeah, I know. Indian cigarettes
green tobacco
are famous also in Spain too.
One time we did some shiitake mushrooms before the show. We had a guy who he's a trainer in seducing women.
He's
like
a trainer in this?
Yeah, like a pickup artist, professional pickup artist.
Okay.
And me and my friend were on some
high session.
Some sexual mushrooms. So yeah, it was a great experience. So basically, you can do anything here.
Roll up tobacco will do. Why the fuck did we get that, man? Come on.
Indian delight.
Man, it's better than the Jesus thing. We must secure the system for people in the future. White children.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's 1488.
That was too much. But whatever.
Do you have immigrants in Spain?
We do have, of course. Actually, right now happens to be a controversial thing because one of them, normally they sell things in the street and they do jobs that we don't want to do. So they're going there for survive and they're trying to, I don't know, get
I mean these immigrants that came in the last couple of years, not
no, maybe let's say there's still is the first generation. That's I understand. They haven't been born, not yet, but it's maybe last 10 years or something, 15 years. And 3-4 days ago, I don't remember, one of them died running from the police, and he suffered a heart attack. And he fainted, he was running, he suffered, he fainted, he died. And everybody was complaining a lot because they took this to say, okay, this guy was running from the police and they shot him or they scared him to death and it looks like it was, I don't know, I haven't been there, but as I can see in the news and stuff, it looks like he just fainted because he died, because it happens to him. It was normal, but everybody took this thing in order to magnify it and try to say, okay, this is because we are doing blah 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 blah, or all these people to say, we gotta take them out and bullshit, man. None of those are good. What do you think about weed? Man, I love weed, honestly, but if I smoke every day, I'm totally unproductive. I wouldn't be here if I were smoking today. I wouldn't be here. I would be in my place and chilling there, listening to music. And for example, one day you guys were doing a live in a Casey Lab with electro psychotrance music. That was really good. I was telling them, and instead of going there, I watched it on the internet, and I was reading like these people. I was reading in the place. I bet that fabulous guy is smoking weed right now.
Fabulous guy. Yeah, I know that guy. He's a regular here at the show.
Yeah?
Yeah. He writes interesting things.
About the thing about South America, I wasn't even aware until I met South American people. In my books, it's written Spain went to South America and discovered it. And in their books, it's written Spain came to South America and murdered us all. And they're fucking right, It's a weird thing. but it's something my
Really,
ancestors did.
Didn't know about that
I wasn't-
particular thing
if you think
that
about
you
it-
learn it different from them.
Yeah, of course. If you think about it, it's okay. But if you just living, you don't really repair. You don't really pay attention to it. Don't really
It's
think
kind
about it.
yeah, that's kind of weird. Like,
Look, I told you, Fabulous Guy is on Indian cigarettes right now.
yeah,
I don't hate immigrants, man. I truly don't. Really, I don't. Actually, right now, I am an immigrant in your country. So how am I going to? How am I going to hate you?
at least you're white. Just kidding. Don't get a hard on Emperor 14 or whatever your name is.
Bueno. So normally until what time do you stay here?
About 12:30.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Football.
Why don't we play some Spanish rap music that you said?
You want to play some?
Yeah, I want to chill out so I don't have to talk.
That's okay. No. Fuck Despacito, please.
Do you watch football?
I do. Not much, but I like. I'm from Sevilla, so mostly the teams from there. But I play more than watch.
Yeah,
okay.
so you're a casual fan. Who
Yeah, I
likes
just
to-
like the sport thing. You know?
yeah.
There's too much bullshit around it in Spain.
Yeah, here too a little bit.
You go to Love and Trends parties. Is this guy Fabulous Guy? Is this Fabulous Guy from Novi Sad?
I think so. Yeah.
You should go to the city center. There is a place. I don't know the name. It's kind of 3-4 stairs down, and there's trans almost every day. I mean, not every day.
Sunny big.
Sunny Big, I think.
Black.
Yeah, but
Black Bull.
yeah, Betis,
Black
Betis,
Bull.
Real
man.
Betis, good. Man, you can ponle una guapa. Ah, esa la puedo tú. Ah, esto.
No, but
It's the guy with the scars, or no, the tattoos.
He's
Ah, I haven't played a fucking long time. You choose your own shoe.
wait, something wrong.
You pick that one.
Fuck.
Okay, you play with this.
No.
Oh, come on. Reminds me to fucking PS.
Round one, fight.
Wow!
Oh, fuck. Oh, you got a candidate? I played the shit last week, so. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna get. Fucked up.
Hey!
Last again. Ah. Okay. No mercy, the next one.
Come on, no mercy. Show me what you got.
Round two, fight.
Hey! Yee!
Uh-huh.
You tried to say that you're gay.
Yeah? Man, why is that? I mean, it's okay. I don't really care that much. Do they listen to me?
Oh.
Headshot.
Okay.
Another one? And you you gotta play store. Ah, that's because of the. Oh, I cannot change. It's okay. Yeah, the Chinese Cup, I forgot about him. Too quick, she's too quick.
Yeah, she's very quick.
You that? I'm la chica. Hey! I forgot that, how was it?
I don't know what the fuck I did, but it was really cool. Oh, did you? Oh,
Woo!
ah. Fuck, that was so close.
Yeah, almost there. Ah, hit it again. Why did I change? That's okay. I don't remember, but they had like a lot of combinations. Right? Man, I cannot change. That's why I'm here.
Until you lose.
Good one. It was almost a perfect. Been a long time without playing this.
Oh, fuck. Oh! You fucked me up, bro.
I was lucky, I was lucky.
Final round.
They say now the show is called Pedro and Nidža show.
Pedro need what?
Pedro and Nidža, he's a Nidža. Because this is Nidža and Joca show.
Fuck, I'm losing this every time.
Ah, man.
No man, no man.
Pick the Chinese, you pick the...
Yeah.
Maybe
Let's
it's
see.
because
I'll take her.
Maybe this character
Click
is so
start, click
powerful.
start. Yeah.
Okay,
Who is that?
she changed. He
Back,
changed.
go back.
No, I can pick another one right now. Yeah, this is the guy who did a lot of bad stuff.
Muslim.
Law.
Law is ready.
Round one.
What?
Ne sam mogao praviti. And now I can change.
Don't worry. Listo. ¿Quieres jugar alguna? No, date la botana, rápido. When we play normally we did like you can put these two buttons here or these two buttons here, so it's easy. You can configure it in the same game. What? Nice.
What you,
Hey!
do you wanna play?